welcome to this channel. And today you are going to learn in just in 2 minutes that how can you automate your WhatsApp message. For that you need a simple module, that is PivotKit, and after that you can simply automate it. So let's do it. So in terminal you need to install it. So for installing you just run pip install and PivotKit. Okay, so in my case you can see that it is already installed and you need to install it. And after that let's write a code. So import, now just import your PivotKit, and after that PivotKit dot send what message, and then you need to specify phone number, message and time. Let's do it also. For that first I need to give the mobile number, and country code is mandatory, so please mind it. And 9 plus 918742947070. And here my message, hi, and simply now I need to give the time, so time is 20, and after that I'm just giving 24. Okay, that is enough. Let's play. Okay, so in 13 seconds browser will automatically open, and in 20-second message should be delivered. Let's see our result just in 13 seconds. So browser is open now, and chat box is already open, and message is already typed here, hi. Let's see that does it send after few seconds or not. Okay, okay, bingo. So our message has gone. So in this way you can send a WhatsApp message automated. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, then please like and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching this. Bye bye. Take care.